So you've been wanting to get into abstract painting, but just don't know where to begin. All right, here's what you do. Sign up for my wait list here. I run a few live workshops a year, and you'll be the first to find out when the next one opens. And just so you know, if you are a beginner and don't have any experience, this is a great place for you. If you are a painter that has experience, but feel like you've just lost your energy or inspiration and everything is falling flat, well, this is the perfect place for you. See, I teach from a perspective that believes each one of us have something very unique and personal to say with our own art, even if we don't realize it yet. And that gives us an incredible freedom to be able to express ourselves on canvas. And that is the beauty of abstract art. See, our own art is meant to reach people that only our art can reach. And if you can understand that, then you can just take a breath and relax and know that you can do this. And that's how we teach these workshops here. It is freedom, expression, and recognizing that you are an artist. And all you have to do is allow yourself to be open to it. The rest will come. Just sign up for that waitlist below. You'll be the first to find out when it opens. And I hope that we can paint together in the next live workshop.